Clients don't always hire you because of your design style. Well, there will be some of that because they like your portfolio or examples of websites you built. But one of the main reasons they may want to hire you is because they want to see results. Because if in your projects or case studies you've said you built this website and they achieved XYZ, they kind of want to see some proof or evidence of that because otherwise, why would they hire you? So, what you got to think about is some client outcome tracking. Let me clarify what that means. This is where you got to think about documenting anything that you have done that is measurable, that has been a result of your work. So, for example, instead of saying, I redesigned this website, say, my redesign increased conversions by 40% and boosted monthly revenue by $10,000. That's the kind of language that makes clients sit up and take notice. Think of it like this. If you were hiring a personal trainer, would you choose one who says, I'll make you sweat? Or one who says, I helped my last 20 clients lose 20 pounds in 3 months. I don't mean financially 20 pounds, I mean 20 pounds body weight. You're going to go for the second one, right? That's the power of simple outcome tracking. And when you are trying to convince someone of what you can do for them, you want to be going with that kind of message rather than the bog standard, I'm going to help you do X. So start by identifying the kind of metrics that are going to matter most to your clients. And it might be in a niche area or just generalistically. For lead generation sites, it could be the number of form submissions or the phone calls or the amount of people, visits, activity tracking, that kind of thing. You can easily use free tools like Google Analytics to track these metrics before and after projects, especially if you've done a makeover or you've boosted the SEO, or maybe it was something to do with the performance side of the website. And then what you want to do is compile all of that data. Just stick it in a table, stick it somewhere so that you can refer back to it and showcase it to the clients. Go and create like a one-page case study that shows the problem the client had, what you did for them in terms of the solution, and then what were the results. And it's okay to include visuals like graphs or charts or before and after screenshots, because all of this is so much more engaging than just heading and text and bullet points. At the end of the day, when you present this to potential clients, you're not just showing them what you can do, you're proving it. This can build trust and makes it easier when it comes to justifying your pricing. Like, you've got the evidence. You're not just going to say, yeah, I'll build your website for $20,000. And they're going to go, well, what do I get out of that? It's a simple, free way to elevate your reputation and attract high-value clients. Trust me, this does work. And the best bit about all of this is that you're already doing the work, right? You're already doing this. You just need to document it. You've got legacy clients, right? You can probably nip into their Google Analytics. You will have start and end dates for when you came in. And if you're not doing it, start tracking those outcomes today. Your future self and your future clients will thank you for it.